Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Leos. For your reading today, guys, today's reading is going to be different. We'll be picking cards for your career situation and your love situation. So, first, for your career situation, we'll be picking 3 cards. Leos, I see that today your day is going to be filled with happiness and contentment. It is a blessed day, guys. And in your circle, in your work circle or your family circle, your reputation is growing. People greatly respect you for the way you are, and they think of you as a very successful person, and that person with courage and deep knowledge. So these are for your relationship, guys. These cards, we'll be picking 3 cards from this deck. We will open these cards as we proceed, guys. So one more card and we will start the reading. So these are the cards for your relationship, Leos. Let's start with your daily reading first. For your career situation, guys, first. Death, the Hermit in reverse, Ace of Wands in reverse. So with these cards for your career situation, I see that you are moving towards transition, guys. Something is changing in your career. Maybe your past circumstance, something that has come to an end, something that was not working. You are leaving that out, no longer taking that path. You are changing the way you do things, and you may be seeing some major changes in your career, guys. Maybe you may get a new position in work, taking up a new job, or it may be an important job, something with more authority and power, and it may give you better returns, or there is greater potential for success. And in your career situation, guys, you have some fears about certain things, maybe regarding some projects or your work, how it may turn out, the future of those projects, or you may see or you are taking extra precautions, so certain things may not go wasted, your efforts, and things will go all right. And you are afraid of certain things, guys, but I see that in some choices, in some path, you will be able to reach success, but there are troubles on the way. So you have to have that endurance to wait these troubles, overcome these obstacles to taste success today, Leos. That is also what I see. But overall, I see here that things are going well in your career situation, guys, and slowly you are seeing how things are falling into place. We see that you are giving up your old ways, so that may be the reason for success today in your career situation, Leos. Let us see what are the cards for your relationship, guys. We will turn these cards now. 9 of water, 10 of earth, and Queen of water. So with these cards in your relationship, I see that all that you have wished for yourself or this person, you are slowly beginning to get that sweet taste in this connection, guys, and all your efforts that you have put in this connection, it's bearing the fruits, and you enjoy this relationship with this person, and you have this sweet experience, you have that sense of completion and emotional fulfillment in this connection, guys. And with this person is really compassionate, generous, and you have that respect and love for each other. You respect each other's freedom, and you have that mutual compassion, and this person is very caring and nurturing, and you love them for the way they are. You feel secure and safe with this person, and you are healing from your past hurts, guys. And with this person you have that healing energy, and you are able to experience that happiness, that sense of fulfillment and security with this person. And this person is really reliable, and you feel that you are extremely lucky to be with them, guys, because they are nurturing, healing you in this relationship, and the way you both connect with each other. And this may be a karmic connection, guys. That is also what I see here, Leos. You would have that deep bond, and you would have felt really familiar with this person even at the first time. So maybe this person is a destined karmic connection. That may be the reason for that familiarity in this connection. You, even before you speak those words, this person will be able to voice it out. So you connect at a very deep level, that in your thoughts, whatever you think or whatever actions you take up, it may coincide, that perfect harmony and balance. That is what I see here with these cards for your relationship, guys. And you are dreaming about your future, and you're building your future together, planning for your future together. Maybe this relationship will move towards marriage or engagement, guys. That perfect bonding is what I see with this relationship, guys. So that is a reading for your Leos. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.